Evening to everyone. So hoping everyone is doing well. Welcome to Higher Diploma in Data Analytics. Again, Module 1 covers Introduction to Data Analytics, Basics, Excel, and Descriptive Analytics. So we'll be continuing our discussion on Excel functions and formulas. To recap our previous discussion on questionnaire, data validation, and data cleaning, so questionnaire design ensures that important, reliable, relevant, and unbiased data will be collected during data collection. Data validation prevents errors and ensures consistency. Data cleaning refines raw data for accurate analysis, so that is removing duplicate records, outliers, and converting data into something that is formatted. These processes are essential for business enterprises, healthcare providers, and banking or financial institutions to make informed decisions based on high quality data or data with integrity. So let us talk about data analytics. So when we talk about data analytics, is the process of examining, interpreting big data to uncover patterns, trends, and meanings or insights that can help inform decision. It helps business operations to solve business problems. It involves the use of mathematical, statistical technique to convert raw data into something that is meaningful. In essence, so data analytics enable enterprises and individuals like us to make more informed, data-driven decisions. This process helps uncover valuable patterns, trends, and meanings from raw data to guide strategies, actions, as well as insights regarding business solutions. Again, to recap the different key components of data analytics, first we will be discussing the first two key components. So this is data collection and data cleaning or data preparation. So data collection is the collection of data from various sources such as spreadsheet and databases. It is very important or imperative that the data collected is meaningful, reliable, accurate, and high quality for meaningful analysis. Then we have the data cleaning. So it consists of data preparation, data transformation, and data normalization. So to continue our discussion, so we'll be discussing about Excel functions. So in relation to data preparation, so Excel functions are widely used in data analytics for summarizing, cleaning, manipulating, and analyzing data to extract useful insights. So the following grouping organizes the functions into different categories that will help us to better understand these functions for the purpose of data analysis and manipulation.